What's going on, YouTube? It is me, Brisket Medic. I am not Josh or Babe. I am just as busty as Babe, but I am not as pretty as Josh. Make sure you look out for hashtag the Cooking Cop and Babe channel takeover. We are jumping in and supporting the people that we love, and we love you guys, the viewers, but we also love Josh and Babe while they're away, taking care of some very, very important things right now. They're kicking some things in the butt, and we are here to support them. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe. You hit that subscribe button. You ring that bell so you don't miss a thing. Today, we're going to be cooking a Tex Mex version of dirty rice. I've got some ground venison of a deer I harvested just a few weeks ago, and it is going to be amazing. It's dirty rice like you've never seen it before. Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so we're going to start off by making our rice of choice. Today we're going to be using brown rice, and it is minute rice, so I just add it to boiling water, let it boil, turn it down to a simmer, and get that rice ready to go. It's important we cook this first and get it set to the side. Then we're going to start chopping up our onions, our bell peppers, and our celery. This is what's called affectionately the Trinity, and that's what we do a lot of our dishes here in Texas and over in Louisiana. We start off with the Trinity. So we're chopping up some onion, celery, and green pepper. Now, time for the meat.
Now, wait a minute. I told you this was not going to be traditional dirty rice. So I am not going to saute the Trinity all the way down into almost nothingness. We're cooking this Tex-Mex style, so they're going to be cooked just like fajitas.
Being true to that Tex-Mex style, we're going to go ahead and throw these in the pan with the ground venison and cook them all down at the same time. We're going to let those flavors all marry together, and we're going to get those that Trinity not cooked down into a mush. Really, it's still going to be have a bite through, just like you would in peppers and onions in fajitas, and that's what we're going for. Let's toss in some fajita seasoning to top it off. I like to put in approximately 2 tablespoons of fajita seasoning, just enough to lightly coat the entire top of the surface, and then stir it in as we're cooking. Once that starts getting cooked down, I throw on this hardcore carnivore Lone Star beer meat gelada. It's a chili lime seasoning. Again, approximately 1.5 to 2 tablespoons on top. That's going to really give this thing that Tex-Mex kick that you're going to love.
All right, folks, so we've got our Tex-Mex style dirty rice. Now, I didn't cook it traditionally like dirty rice. I'm not going to serve it or eat it like traditional dirty rice because this is Tex-Mex dirty rice. We did start off with seasoning our meat with plain old fajita seasoning. After we got our veggies in there and the Trinity nice and cooked down, I threw in some of this hardcore carnivore Lone Star beer meat gelada. So this is a Texas chili lime rub. I threw probably about 3 tablespoons of this on top of that. Finished breaking down the meat. Finished getting those vegetables al dente. Remember, we cook these in a fajita style, and that's how we're going to serve it up, except with no tortillas. We're going to use a little bit of rice. So let's get it served up. We're going to get us a nice heaping mound of this good rice. It's going to be our base layer, okay? And then we're going to take this delicious meat gelada. This is ground venison. And then the Trinity, you got onions, celery, and green bell peppers. And you're gonna cover it up, just like that. Now, you can have your choice of how you want to eat this, but I like to eat it just like this. I don't stir it up, I eat it just like this, so I have a little bit of each in each bite. I love to eat it this way because it's not getting the rice nice and soggy or anything like that. And a meal like this when I'm on duty in the station takes about 20 minutes to cook and prepare, but I can easily feed 3 to 4 people with it, or it's an all-day thing, even leftovers for tomorrow's lunch for me. Hey guys, remember, this is your opportunity to reach out to Josh and Bethany. Throughout this pandemic, food and YouTube entertainment has kept us comfortable, has kept us at ease, has given us a sense of normalcy. So let's help them back out in this time of need. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you watch all their videos, you give them your thoughts, you give them your prayers, you let them know that you're on their side and that we support them. We love you guys. Brisket Medic, out.